okay na po ba? Ayan, para hindi masyadong antokin for our afternoon training and seminar, no? And before I continuously naipakilala po yung sarili ko, so game po ba kayo na magkaroon tayo ng short and short game na makakapag-help para makapag-focus po tayo? Ready po bang lahat? Ayan, okay. So, simulan po natin. Ang game po na to is called See the Color, Not the Word. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang nakasulat ay blue, but ang kulay niya is pink, anong sasabihin? No, pink. Kasi kung written siya as blue, but ang kulay niya is pink, pink ang sasabihin. So, ano po to? Sari-sariling game. Wala tayong kalaban. Ang kalaban nyo ay yung sarili nyo. Yan. So, ready na po ba? Ayan, antayin natin sila. Okay, pagka-click ko nito, start na po lakasan nyo po yung sagot nyo para alam natin kung sino yung nagkakamali. Ayan, so let us start. Get your eyes ready. In 3, 1. Blue? Oh. Ayan. Mahirap po ba? Mahirap. Ayan. So, isa po yan sa mga, kumbaga parang, para ano namin, energizer namin nung nag-aaral pa kami nung psychology, no? Kasi it helps our brain na kumbaga i-distinguish kung ano ba talaga yung color, kung ano yung sasabihin, kung yung word ba talaga, no? So yun yung tinatawag din siyang Stroop effect kasi may tendency talaga yung brain natin na basahin yung word, hindi yung kung alamin yung color, no? So it help us to focus, no, sa kung ano yung nakalagay sa screen. Okay? So, nag-enjoy po ba ang lahat? Nag-enjoy po ang bawat isa? Ayan. So, as I continue, again, I am Rachel Angelet C. Estologa, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Psychology and a licensed psychometrician. So, ayun nga, sabi ni Tita Seni, malalaman niyo kung bakit I am a licensed psychometrician, also a graduate of psychology, but why am I here in 4Life and why I'm doing the business of 4Life? So, it just happened po na nung graduate ako, nagkataon po na pandemic. So, alam niyo naman po, nung pandemic, sobrang hirap mag-apply. Sometimes yung karamihan din sa mga company is hindi sila nag-hire and sometimes yung iba, di ba, kailangan pa nila mag-lay off ng mga tao. But nung time na yun, sabi ng mother ko, nasa 4Life na po siya and doon niya napansin na what if yung time mo nung nitong pandemic, so gamitin mo muna para aralin yung ganda ng business and tingnan kung makakatulong ba sa'yo or kung talagang very adaptable yung 4Life. But alam nyo po ba, nag-start ako kay 4Life, no experience. So yun yung maganda kay 4Life kasi in any field nyo, kayang-kaya niya pong gawin si 4Life. So I started my journey in 4Life since 2020. So pandemic po talaga. And doon ko nakita na sobrang adaptable si 4Life kasi online agad, may Zoom training, libre yon, no? So, natututo as I long, habang ginagawa ko po yung 4Life and libre yung mga trainings, no? And also, a 4Life page, Maverick. So, we have a group of young millennials, Gen Z here in 4Life. So, sinong may mga anak, pamangkin na halos kaedaran ko po. So, very welcome po sila dito. Ayan, si Tita Mapet, no? Si Ma'am Carla, yung kanyang daughter and also kanyang apo, no? Grandson. Yan, isa na rin pong Diamond affiliate. So, we welcome po natin yung mga young, no, na kayang-kaya din pong gawin si 4Life. So ganun po ako naging proud din kay For Life kasi hindi lang kasi may ano kami, may kumbaga may isip yung mga yang na kapag ganitong business ng network marketing is para lang yan sa mga ages 40, 50, 60, like yung mga nagre-retire na. But iniba ni For Life yung pananaw ko sa business ng network marketing na kaya rin pala ng mga ages namin, no? And also a 2024 Boracay Diamond Holiday Qualifier and also a Diamond affiliate. So, ayan. So, pwede ko pong malaman kung sino po yung mga bago or mga guest. Taas po yung mga kamay. Ayan. Palakpakan naman po natin yung ating mga guest. Ayan. And sa mga guest naman po, gusto ko pasalamatan nyo naman po or mga nag-invite sa inyo ng thank you. Ayan. Sige nga po. Okay. Ayan. Alam nyo po kung bakit? Kasi sila po yung angel nyo dito sa For Life. Sila yung nagdala sa inyo para gusto kasi nila makita din nyo kung gaano kaganda yung product, yung opportunity para makatulong po sa inyo. Ayan, so we welcome lahat po ng guests. We welcome you to our Big Four product preview. So we call it product preview kasi we're just talking about 4 products lang. So parang pahapyaw lang kasi madami tayong products but itong intensive product is for Wednesday naman siya. But itong product preview is kumbaga papasadahan lang natin, mabilis lang siya. So ready na po ba ang lahat? Yes, okay. So sabi dito, when you feel vibrant and healthy, you can live your best possible life. And to do this, you need a vigilant immune system to help you fight back against threats you face each day. So, sino pong naniniwala doon? Yan, no? Lahat tayo naniniwala na yung immune system natin, ito yung main defender ng katawan natin. So, alam niyo po ba yung immune system natin na kailangan pala palaging alert, sabi nga laging vigilant, no? Kasi katulad ngayon may nababalita po, no, na may bago na namang sakit, yung monkeypox, like parang siya, medyo kapatid siya ng nung bulutong. But sabi nila magkaiba daw yun, pero parang almost magkapatid din. So ingat-ingat po tayo, kailangan talaga palakasin natin yung immune system natin. Okay, so we're blessed today kasi malalaman natin kung ano ba yung company na expert na when it comes to immune system. And I present to you For Life. It is called the Immune System Company. So it is a US-based company in Utah, USA. And since 1998, andito na po si For Life. So For Life's been operating over 27 years of experience. So, kaedad ko si For Life. Alam niya na yung age ko. Yan. And available in over 90 countries with offices in 25 countries. Alam niyo po ba na big advantage to sa atin na available in 90 countries yung business natin kasi if we have relatives, friends sa ibang bansa, we can easily share the product, the business to them na through link lang. Di natin kailangan na puntahan pa sila. And here in Philippines, we have offices in Baguio, Manila, Cebu, and Davao. And now, we've been in the business since 2006 and 19 years na po si For Life Philippines. 19 years of experience. So, palakpakan naman po natin si For Life. Ayan, sino na pong nakarating ng Baguio office? Ako, nakarating na po ako dyan. Manila office! Oh, ito po yung Manila office natin. Yan, Rockwell, Sheridan, Cebu. Ayan. So yung mga nakarating po sa previous Cebu office natin, magkakaroon na po tayo ng bagong office sa Cebu sa June 21. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin. And lastly, our Davao office. So nakapunta na rin po ako dyan sa Davao office. So maganda po ba na may mga offices tayo dito sa Philippines? No? Ang kagandahan po niyan kasi hindi na natin kailangan palaging umalis, no? Kahit at the comfort of our home, pwede na nating ma-share yung mga yung business natin sa mga kakilala natin na malalapit sa mga offices na yan. And ayan, so let us watch this video para makita natin kung gaano po kaganda yung ating manufacturing facility.
In the heart of the Wasatch Mountains in Vineyard, Utah, USA, is 4Life's manufacturing facility. The building amasses 175,000 square feet or 16,000 square meters. Just how big is this? That's the size of a professional football stadium with room for 60 to 90,000 spectators. Inside, the plant houses the most innovative and state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment. Through this technology, 4Life is able to blend, test, encapsulate, bottle, and package its products. Why is this important? Because it allows 4Life to completely control the quality of its products. From raw ingredient handling to finished product storage, everything, from start to finish, is upheld to the highest quality standards. And if you know us, you know that quality is everything. After receiving, every ingredient is quarantined and tested for identity, purity, strength, and composition. Finished encapsulated products are also quarantined and undergo quality control tests to verify that all specifications and label claims have been met. In fact, just one bottle of 4Life Transfer Factor Plus undergoes hundreds of tests prior to release for sale. The new facility means that 4Life now produces around 80% of all 4Life products and 97% of encapsulated products. 6 encapsulation machines generate anywhere from 500,000 to 1 million caps per day, depending on demand. The environment of the facility is no less than pristine, with pharmaceutical-grade standards for cleanliness and strenuous employee practices for ingredient and product handling. 4Life has contracted with NSF International, an independent third-party certifying body that audits procedures, programs, facilities and equipment, documentation practices, grounds, sanitization and lab operations. 4Life's manufacturing facility boasts an A grade from the NSF certification process. NSF ensures that the facility adheres to CGMPs, or Current Good Manufacturing Practices, prescribed by the United States Food and Drug Administration, an agency that regulates and enforces safety of products. The NSF mark on 4Life Transfer Factor Plus Trifactor formula represents a further certification of product contents, an assurance that the composition of the product and ingredients have been verified to match what's on the label and that they have been assessed for the presence of contaminants, microorganisms, and pesticides. 4Life is on the TRACES list. TRACES is the European Commission's online platform for sanitary certification required for the importation of food into the European Union. The facility has also passed halal and kosher inspections and has received the accompanying certifications. In short, anything that goes in or out the door of our facility is held to 4Life's high consumer quality standards, so that consumers can be sure they are getting the very best of the best, and we can be proud of what we are putting out into the world.
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin. Alam niyo po, isa din to sa pinaka-favorite ko ding video kasi bihira po sa mga company na pinapakita kung gaano ka linis, gaano kaganda yung manufacturing facility. And kung nakikinig kayo, ilang capsules per day ang nagagawa po ng ating manufacturing facility. Right. So imagine, palakpakan naman po natin, imagine 500 to 1 million capsules per day. Ginagawa po yun ng 6 na machine na high grade or A grade, no? And almost 80% of our products is ginawa doon sa ating manufacturing facility kasi yung ating skincare line is gawa po sa Korea, which is yung best for skincare. Okay, so let's talk about naman our product. So ang product po ni 4Life is called transfer factor. So ano po ulit? Transfer factor. So sino po dito sa mga guests ang una nyo lang pong narinig o ngayon nyo lang narinig ang transfer factor? Okay lang po, go. Taas nyo lang po. Ayan, si tita, okay. So siguro yung iba naiya lang po. But sabi nila ang transfer factor is not a vitamin, hindi siya mineral, hindi siya herb, hindi rin antioxidant, hindi din hormone or drug, but it is a product made by the immune system for the immune system. Ibig sabihin, ginawa siya sa gawa siya sa galing din siya sa immune system natin para sa immune system din natin or makakatulong din sa immune system. And also it is an immune memory molecule. So let's talk about the history of transfer factor. So, most karamihan sa atin ngayon lang narinig yung transfer factor. But alam niyo po ba na present na ang transfer factor since 1949? And ang nakadiscover po dito ay si Dr. H. Sherwood Lawrence. So, isa siya sa mga immunologists. So, ibig sabihin, expert talaga sila when it comes to immune system. So, it just happened na magkaroon po ng widespread ng tuberculosis noong 1949 sa nung time ni Dr. Sherwood Lawrence, and he wanted to find out why there were people who were able to fight the disease or nung naka-experience ng tuberculosis but naka-recover. So kumuha po siya, kumuha siya ng blood dun sa mga isang patient na yun na nakaka-recover sa tuberculosis, and he find out na a particular molecule within that white blood cells contain immunity codes. So ito pong immunity codes, pwede siyang i-transfer sa donor to recipient. Kaya siya tinawag na transfer factor kasi pwede pong mapasa ang immunity. So ibig sabihin nung nakuha niya yung white blood cell na yun dun sa patient na yun, tapos nung in-expose ulit siya sa tuberculosis or sa taong may tuberculosis, hindi na po siya nagkaroon or hindi na siya tinablan pa. And the development of transfer factor was shelved due to lack of sources. Kasi imagine niyo po kung ang magiging source lang ng transfer factor is through blood. Sobrang hirap po nun, di ba? So, hindi naman lahat willing na kuhanan ng dugo para lang makakuha ng transfer factor. So, naisantabi siya, and also, yung technology din, kasi nung time na yun, hindi pa ganun ka modernized, no? And also, ang discovery din po na antibiotic is sumabay. So, mas nag-focus po yung mga tao nun sa antibiotics. And also, ayan, so more than 1,800 published clinical studies were made and millions were invested for research and development by various medical practitioners. So hindi din naman po tumigil sa pag-research about transfer factor. And in fact, nalaman pa nga po nila na yung transfer factor pala is present din sa mother's first milk or tinatawag nilang colostrum. So dahil di nga sila nakakita ng, di sila tuloy-tuloy yung discovery dahil hindi pwedeng maging source ang blood ng transfer factor, nakikita nila na sa colostrum din pala or yung first milk after pagkapanganak ng mother, meron din palang transfer factor. So kaya napansin nyo po kapag pagkapanganak and nag-breastfed po yung mother sa baby niya. So, malakas or nakakaiwas po sa sakit yung baby, no? Kumbaga malusog na lumalaki. But, alam niyo po yung colostrum is enough lang para sa baby, no? So, minsan nga, may mother na hindi enough yung milk niya para sa baby, no? So, kulang na kulang. So, hindi rin siya pwedeng maging source ng transfer factor. But further studies revealed that transfer factor is similar across species. So ibig sabihin, yung transfer factor natin and transfer factor ng mga animals is parehas lang. So ibig sabihin, pwede ring i-extract. So itong studies na to, pwede rin palang extract yung transfer factor ng cow colostrum and chicken egg yolk. So ito na po yung naging source ng ni 4Life ng transfer factor, no. So from cow colostrum and chicken, egg yolk, o yung pula ng itlog ng manok. Ito po yung, kumbaga, yung process na yun ng pag-extract ng transfer factor, ayun po yung pinatent ni 4Life. So 4Life has the technology to extract transfer factors. Ayun po yung kumbaga mabusising proseso na pag-extract ng transfer factor. So now maraming siguro na baka may mga nagsasabi na ay galing sa colostrum or sa gatas yung transfer factor. Allergic ako sa gatas. Baka pag nag-take ako niyan, magkaroon ako ng allergic reactions, ganyan. But hindi na po. Dahil kung titingnan po natin dito, yung ingredients ng colostrum is water, protein, fat, lactose, vitamins, minerals, immunoglobulins, growth hormones. Lahat po yun inalis na. Ang kinuha lang po ay transfer factor. Kasi yung mga yan, hindi naman natin kailangan yan. And sila pa yung magkakos ng allergies sa atin. So, very safe na dahil transfer factor lang yung in-extract or yung kinuha ni 4Life. And all things, so palakpakin naman po natin ang ating founder, si David Lisenby. So, it was in 1998 nung na-rediscover ni David Lisenby yung transfer factor kasi while conducting a personal research to write a book, na-discover niya yung transfer factor. And sabi niya, nung nakita niya yung potential ng transfer factor, gusto niya kumbaga naghanap din siya kung may mga company ba na nagpo-produce ng transfer factor but wala. So siya mismo nag-initiate siya na gawin or gumawa ng company na ang magpo-produce or magbibigay or para makapag-try din yung karamihan ng transfer factor. And then, David put up 4Life Research and became the first company to market transfer factor worldwide. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin. Okay, so ano naman po yung benefits ng transfer factor sa immune system natin? So, tatlo lang po yan. So, it educate, boost, and balance your immune system. So ano po ulit yung tatlong benefits? Educate, boost, and balance. So actually, may actions po yan para sa mga bago, no? So it educate, boost, and balance. Ayan, para hindi nyo po makakalimutan basta-basta. So let's talk about the education part of transfer factor sa immune system natin. And under education part, we have recognize, respond, and remember. So, ayun yung 3R. So, ibig sabihin, pag recognize, nakikita nyo po yung icon mata, no? So, it helps immune cells quickly identify invading threats. So, ibig sabihin, dapat pag pumasok yung threat or yung bacteria sa katawan natin, dapat na-detect na agad ng immune system natin na hindi siya part o hindi siya makakabuti sa katawan natin. So, may example ako dito but baka hindi po lahat familiar. So, sino po dito yung nakapanood na ng Squid Game? Ayan, may mga iba lang nakapanood. Ayan. So, marami rin kasing samples about the education part of immune system. But ito, kung mapapansin nyo dun sa isang game, sa Squid Game, na yung doll, yung eye niya sobrang bilis makadetect. Kasi yung game, dapat once na humarap yung doll sa inyo, dapat titigil kayo, no? Bawal gumalaw. So, once na gumalaw kayo, pag na-detect niyang gumalaw kayo, lagot na. Ayan, so, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kabilis. Ayan, dapat ganyan. Ayan, so, pinapakita, gusto ko i-represent sa inyo na yung eye nung doll, dapat ganun din yung cells natin. Ganun siya ka-vigilant, ganun siya ka-alert. Bakit? Kasi may mga ibang cells na katabi niya na yung threat, katabi niya na yung bacteria, hindi niya pa nakikilala, akala niya kapatid niya lang na cells na natural killer cells. So dapat yung natural killer cells natin ganun kabilis mag-detect. Parang mata nung doll, no, na alam niya. So imagine niyo parang ganyan yung point of view ng natural killer cells, no? So, ganyan kadami yung threat na kailangan niyang labanan. And, okay, back tayo. When it comes naman sa pag-respond, since mabilis niyang na-detect na threat yun, mabilis na rin siyang mag-respond. So, it helps speed up your immune system response to threat. And also, once na natalo niya na yung threat na yun, kailangan it can able to remember. So, once na pumasok ulit yung threat na yun, dapat alam niya na, natandaan niya na, ay, nakapasok na to before. So, diretso respond na. Hindi niya na kailangang i-recognize. So, ayan. So, sorry. Etong, meron ditong time-lapse na ginawang nung ating laboratory. So, let us watch this short.
You are about to see a time-lapse of transfer factors and natural killer cells at work under a microscope. You can actually see the red health threats begin to disappear more rapidly on the right side compared to the left side. This is an actual time-lapsed footage of independent laboratory studies showing that 4-Life transfer factor bolsters natural killer cell activity in the presence of a health threat.
Okay, so palabakan naman po natin. Ito po yung ginawang study din na under microscope, naka-time-lapse lang but 3 hours tong in-observe. So dito sa may left side is walang transfer factor but dun sa right side naman is treated ng transfer factor. So makikita natin na mas nag-lessen yung health threat compare sa untreated ng transfer factor. Okay, so when it comes naman sa boost, so it also boosts your immune system. So si 4Life, nag-conduct po siya ng test ng lahat ng mga malakas makapag-boost ng mga supplement, no? And lumabas na yung maitake mushroom, familiar po kayo sa mga mushroom, ang lumabas po is binuboost niya lang ang natural killer cells up to 2%. And bovine colostrum up to 26%. Specialized fruit juice, so I think familiar kayo sa mga juices, may mga ibang supplement na ganyan. But ang lumabas lang na boosting capacity niya is 76%. And also, shiitake mushroom, which is yung kilala sa Japan, no? 81% lang po yung boosting capacity niya. But, alam niyo po ba na lumabas sa research ng ating 4Life transfer factor can boost up to 283%. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin. And hindi po magpapatalo ang ating transfer factor plus but because it can boost your immune system up to 437%. Ayan. And makikita nyo po dito sa illustration, ito yung natural killer cells. And imagine niyo yung health threat, ganyan kalaki, no? So, nilalabanan niya po, kayang-kaya niyang paliitin. And alam niyo po ba na 1:1 yung ating mga cells? So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung natural killer cells, nakipaglaban siya sa threat, once niya natapos niya na yung labanan, mamamatay din siya. So, ibig sabihin, dapat mas madami yung natural killer cells natin kaysa sa mga health threat na pumapasok sa katawan natin. So, imagine niyo kung kayo pong lahat health threat, lalabanan nyo ako. Ay, kumbaga, lahat kayo natural killer cells, lalabanan nyo akong health threat. Sa tingin nyo po, matatalo po ba ako? Yes, kasi nag-iisa lang ako tapos kayo lahat kalaban ko, hindi ko kaya. Ayan. And lastly is, it balances your immune system. So, napapansin nyo po, no, lahat ng mga pinapresent ko po is mga researches, studies na ginawa talaga ni 4Life. And dito sinabi na 4Life transfer factor helps immune system recognize threat. And pinapakita po dito na yung ating helper T cells at rest, ganito yung itsura niya. And kapag overactive, sobrang taas naman, malapit na siya sa boundary ng 300. And with the help of cow colostrum lang to yung hindi in-extract yung transfer factor, bumaba siya but mataas pa din, hindi siya sobrang balance. And with the help of 4Life transfer factor, almost balance na po siya. And with the help of transfer factor, trifactor plus, so more than pa po sa balance. Kumbaga kalmado yung ating immune system. Okay, so ano nga po ulit yung benefits ng ating transfer factor? It educate, boost, and balance. Okay. So, sa amin po, sa psychology, we have book na ito, tinatawag na Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder, wherein dyan namin chine-check kung ano yung proper therapy, medication, or yung, kumbaga, standardize yung tawag namin sa mga disorder na yon. And ganun din po kay For Life. We have physician's desk reference. Actually, may book tayo na sample dun sa ating office. But ngayon, pwede na siyang online. Basta, iscan nyo lang po yung ating QR code. So, yung ating transfer factor was listed sa physician's desk reference, or parang yan yung pinaka-Bible or book na dyan tumitingin ng reference yung mga doctors kung ano yung dapat nilang ibigay sa mga patients nila, kung ano yung proper medication. So, nakaka-proud na part po ng book na to ang ating transfer factor. So, we have also 17 US patents, 65 international patents, and dozens of pending patents. So, ang transfer factor po pala is listed since 2003. So, palakpakan naman po natin. And ang ating For Life Science teams and For Life Health Science Advisory Board, so sila po yan. So, yung kanina, yung in-announce ni Sir Ian, i-discuss ni Dr. Volmer yung ating bagong product na Age Pro. So, siya po yung ating Chief Scientific Officer. So, maganda din po itong kumbaga pinapataas na din po yung credibility nung kumbaga yung faith din natin sa product, kasi alam natin na hindi lang basta-basta ginawa yung product. It is backed up by science. Okay, so let's talk about naman kung ano po yung Big Four product. Okay, ang unang-una po is ating For Life Transfer Factor Tri-Factor Formula. So, tinatawag din po namin tong TF Pure because purong transfer factor lang po yung laman niya per capsules. And it is the foundational immune system support. It has the highest amount of transfer factor. So, per capsules, it contains 300 milligrams. But, ang suggested po na pag-take natin ng transfer factor Pure is 2 capsules per day or 600 milligrams per day. Since 300 lang yung capsules natin, dadalawahin natin yung pag-take. Okay? So maganda po ito to balance our immune system. Maganda siya sa mga allergies. Ayan. And let's watch this video to know more about transfer factor.
For Life Transfer Factor is clinically proven to activate the immune system within 2 hours. Transfer factors aren't vitamins, minerals, or herbs. They are molecules that transfer immune memory and knowledge from one cell to another. They teach your immune system to recognize, respond to, and remember potential threats. For Life Transfer Factors provide vital information and education to your immune system. Let's follow the path of transfer factors through the body as they raise your immune IQ. First, the capsule travels down your esophagus to the stomach. There, it dissolves, and the individual transfer factor molecules are released. The transfer factor molecules enter the intestines, where they encounter groups of immune cells called Peyer's patches. Peyer's patches are concentrated centers of immune cells, and this is where For Life Transfer Factor begins educating your immune system. They support many different kinds of immune cells, such as natural killer cells, T cells, B cells, macrophages, and more. When the transfer factors encounter an uneducated immune cell, they enter and educate that cell so it can better recognize, respond to, and remember health threats. From there, the newly educated cell creates more transfer factors to place on its surface. As educated immune cells come into contact with uneducated immune cells, they pass their immune system knowledge to those cells. The education spreads cell to cell until it reaches a lymph node, a concentrated source of immune system cells. Here, the educated cells work quickly to transfer their immune system knowledge, and soon all the cells in the lymph node have transfer factors to pass to the rest of the immune cells in your body. This transfer of immune knowledge spreads throughout the body until your entire immune system is fortified by transfer factors, making for a smarter and more vigilant immune system. Try 4Life Transfer Factor products today to raise your immune IQ.
Okay, pahanap po natin. So, ito po yung recent research ni 4Life na within 2 hours, once nag-take tayo, yes, pure, it can boost our immune system agad-agad. But may mga nagsasabi like 30 minutes pa lang, 45 minutes, or mabilisan, nakakaramdam na po sila ng pagbabago sa katawan nila or nakakaramdam ng ginhawa. So ito yung ating transfer factor pure. So maganda din po siya sa mga may autoimmune disease, allergies. So very safe din siya sa mga bata and pregnant and lactating. So dahil pure naman siya. And going forward, we have transfer factor plus. Ito naman po tinawag na plus kasi aside from transfer factor, meron na po siyang kasamang mga mushrooms, cordyceps, beta-glucan, olive leaf, soybean, aloe vera, and IP6. So ito yung lumabas sa research na it can boost up to 437%. So maganda naman pong i-take ng mga taong laging nagkakasakit talaga. So, like tsaka yung may mga big C or sinasabi nilang cancer, infectious disease. So, maganda po yung ating transfer factor plus. But, on a daily basis, maganda din po na iti-take talaga natin yung transfer factor plus kasi parang prevention na natin yun no? And, okay, so, oo, tama si Sir, may zinc. So, familiar po ba kayo nung pandemic na actually may nag-alok sa akin ng pandemic, yung classmate ko sabi niya, "Uy, bili ka nitong zinc, maganda talaga to sa sa COVID." But nakita ko naman sa ingredients ni Plus, may zinc na, so hindi ko na kailangan mag-take pa nun. Zinc lang naman yung laman nun. Yung transfer factor plus, ang dami niya ng makakatulong to boost our immune system. Ito din po yung ating best seller nung COVID, no? Kasi ang ating problem talaga ng COVID is our immune system. And moving forward, we have 4Life Transfer Factor Riovida. So it comes in juice form, itong ating naka-bottle, in jelly form, para siyang jelly ace na sinisip lang. So, and lastly, our powdered form na pwede nyo pong i-mix sa water. So it contains transfer factor, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. So it protects against free radicals and supports healthy aging. Sinong gustong palaging bata? Ang itsura. Ayan. So, ayan, favorite ko rin po ang Riovida. So it has blueberry, elderberry, apple, acai berry, pomegranate, and purple grape. So alam nyo po ba itong mga berries na to is mataas yung kanilang ORAC value. So ibig sabihin kumaga malakas silang alis ng mga free radicals. And also it also has vitamin C and ang ating Riovida stick. So ito pong ating powder form. It has added electrolytes, sodium, and potassium. So maganda siya sa mga taong into fitness, nagji-gym, running, or yung may mga friends tayong athletic. Maganda din po itong i-recommend ang ating Riovida stick. So actually, tinitake ko din po siya kapag tumatakbo ko. So, kasi pag tumatakbo ko, hindi po ako palainom, like, kung during run ng tubig kasi kadalasan sumasakit po yung gilid ko. So mas maganda, ginagawa ko po 30 minutes before the run, umiinom na ako ng Riovida stick. So natatapos ko po yung whole run ko like 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers na walang inom-inom ng tubig kaya. Kasi kumbaga na replenish na yung electrolytes mo. And ayan, so dito po sa research na to, 4-life transfer factor helps the immune system recognize threats. So it increase production of salivary IgA antibodies. So ito makikita niyo po dito sa illustration na before taking 4-life transfer factor, mas madami yung environmental stress o itong mga bilog-bilog. Tapos kakaunti yung antibody natin. So ito yung rectangular shape. But after taking 4-life transfer for 4 consecutive weeks, dumami ng 73% more yung ating IgA or antibody. So palapakan naman po natin. Ano po yung kahalagahan kung bakit importante na mapataas yung IgA antibodies natin? Kasi sa nose, sa mouth pa lang natin, once, syempre pag may nakakausap tayo, may nalanghap tayong alikabok, pumapasok na po agad dyan. And mabilis pong mag-mutate yung mga bacteria, yung mga threat kasi kumaga basa or moist siya. So dapat, so pag nag-take tayo ng Riovida juice or transfer factor, sa mouth and sa nose pa lang natin, nalalabanan na po yung mga threat, no? And lastly, our product, Glutamine Prime. Sinong may favorite ng Glutamine Prime? Ayan, favorite ko rin po. And sinong nakatanggap ng sachet po kanina? Glutamine Prime po yung laman nun. So, pwede nyo na pong i-take. So, Glutamine Prime, it is a building blocks of glutathione, the most powerful antioxidant that the body produces. So, kalasa kasi pag yung mga nakakarinig tayo ng glutamine, ang nasa isip lang natin ay pampaputi. But ito pong ating Glutamine Prime, more than that pa po yung nagagawa niya. So it provides immune cells with energy needed to deal with threats. So sinong laging stress? Yan man, nasa stress sa traffic, sa anak, sa asawa, at sa kung ano pa. So, maganda po ang ating Glutamine Prime to recover our body from stress, and it provides our body from, it provides energy for our body. So, pakinggan po natin ang ating experts, si Dr. Brent Vaughn, about
Hi, I'm Dr. Brent Vaughn, and I'm excited to talk to you today about one of our targeted immune system support products, 4-Life Transfer Factor Glutamine Prime. At its core, Glutamine Prime serves as food for your immune system cells. Your immune system needs a lot of different things to function, but one of its favorite foods is an amino acid called glutamine. Glutamine Prime provides this amino acid in 2 forms. These are glutamine and L-alanine L-glutamine. By providing 2 forms, you get better overall absorption. Glutamine is a very important amino acid. Amino acids are the building blocks of different proteins in your body. The amino acid glutamine helps your immune system function at peak performance, and it serves as an energy source for your immune system. Glutamine also supports intestinal health and maintains a healthy lining in the gut. That's important because your gut contains about 70% of your immune system. Glutamine is essential for making more immune cells, and it provides the building blocks for glutathione, which is an antioxidant your body produces. Arginine, another building block, helps improve immune cell activity and mobility. It also increases the number of protective immune cells in your body, and it works together with glutamine. Alpha-lipoic acid, another building block, is an antioxidant that recycles other antioxidants, making sure they can stay alive to fight free radicals for longer. Free radicals are potentially harmful molecules in your body, and their weakness is antioxidants. Last, but certainly not least, we have N-acetyl-L-cysteine, which is also an important building block of glutathione. By giving your body the building blocks of glutathione, your body will build this important antioxidant. Some research suggests that glutathione supports skin lightening and elasticity. Glutathione also prevents oxidative damage, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Glutamine Prime also features nanofactor, which comes from ultrafiltered cow colostrum. Nanofactor enhances communication between your immune system cells, speeding up your immune response. I can't say enough good about this product. So many of our customers love it because these ingredients have been carefully selected to maximize your immune system's energy and efficiency. Try 4Life Transfer Factor Glutamine Prime today. Your immune system will thank you.
Okay, so palapakan naman po natin si Dr. Von. Sabi niya, he can say enough about glutamine prime kasi ganun po ka dami or ganun ka dami yung ganda ng ng ating glutamine prime. So ako po, high school pa lang nakakapag-take na ako ng glutamine prime. So it really helps sa pag-aaral ko, sa sleep kasi laging puyat. Then nung nag-college, nag-OJT pa, sabay ng thesis. So favorite ko po talaga yung glutamine and it really helps sa energy. And moving forward, ito po yung ating lahat na ating mga products. So we have other essentials and core products. Targeted transfer factor is if we have na tina-target na po na sakit. So like example for recall, for our brain health, glucose for sugar, cardio for our heart, and of course yung glutamine prime natin, and KBU for our kidney, bladder, and urinary tract, and male prof para sa mga kalalakihan po for their prostate gland, and breathe for our lung health, and also collagen, isa rin po sa favorite ko for nails, hair, skin lightening, maganda po yung collagen, and weight management para po sa into fitness na mga tao. So maganda po yung Pro-TF if hindi na po kayo madalas kumakain ng rice. And maganda din po siya sa mga elders, like yung palagi na lang nakaupo, nakahiga kasi hindi na masyadong nakakakilos kasi yung muscles nila hindi na ganun na nakaka-build, no? So maganda po yung ating Pro-TF, Renuvo if you want to feel like 22 again, and Energy Go Stick. So maganda po itong Energy Go Stick. Alternative siya sa ang tawag doon yung sa mga market na energy drink kasi yun mas madami yung sugar and mas mabilis siyang makakapagtaas ng sugar natin, and also our cleansing and detox, and lastly our skincare system or yung ating skincare line na tinatawag na Aqua. So ito lang po yung ating products na gawa sa Korea, which is yung best po sa immune system. So I will share to you yung experience ko po sa Aqua, kung paano niya kung paano niya po ako natulungan sa journey ko sa aking acne. Ayan. So, this was year 2002 na grabe po talaga yung acne ko. Like, grabe talaga. And after 3 months lang ng paggamit po, religiously na walang laktaw, like every night, every morning, malaki po yung naging difference ng face ko. So, hanggang ngayon, gumagamit pa rin po ako ng Aqua, and nagkakaroon pa rin ng acne kasi syempre, nagkakaroon ka ng menstruation, nandyan talaga na dadating yung pimples, no? But, hindi na po umabot pa or bumalik pa na ganyan po yung face ko, no? So, thank you sa Aqua, or wala pala siya dito. So, palakpakan naman po natin yung ating Aqua or Asian Korean Water Approach. And ito po, nakakatawa. Kasi nung last February po, ewan ko, nahipan siguro ko ng hangin. Hindi, nadapa po ako. Kasi ang dilim, tapos di ko nakita yung ham. So, basta ewan ko, nagulat na lang po ako, nakalagapak na ako sa daan. So, laki po talaga ng sugat ko and 2 tuhod pa. No, imaginein po nyo yun. And gusto ko po i-try talaga, nasabi kasi yung lotion natin, dahil may transfer factor siya, maganda din siya sa mga paso, sa mga sugat. And imagine niyo po na nung una, of course, ginamitan ko siya ng Betadine, but tuloy-tuloy po, ang ginamitan ko lang siya ng lotion, and imagine niyo po, walang scars, may onting discoloration, but eventually mawawala din naman siya. But sobrang ganda po ng ating lotion, Inumi lotion sa mga sugat, sa mga paso na hindi na po kailangan magkaroon pa ng scars. And lastly, ang aking testimony about our collagen. So it really helps sa nails ko po talaga. So before, yung nails ko is sobrang rupok, no? But now, Ayan, humaba na lang siya ng ganito, hindi pa siya napuputo. So, hindi lang siya sa hindi lang siya sa skin, sa hair, but also sa nails. So kasi karamihan po sa mga clients natin, hindi lang naman ayaw nila like umiinom ng mga supplements, but into beauty sila like skincare, sa nails, sa skin, no? So, you can recommend this products po. Ayan, so yan yung mga ano. And we'll be calling about I think 2 person to share their stories din and kung paano po nakatulong sa kanila yung For Life product. So first, we'll be calling our Builder Elite. So palakpakan po natin Ma'am Judith Ting. Palakpakan po ulit natin.
I used to rule the world, seas would rise when I
Good afternoon po sa mga guests at good morning sa mga affiliates. Yes. Si-share ko lang po this afternoon yung nangyari sa akin, yung experience ko about sa products po. Dati kasi, mula pa nung bata ako hanggang sa nagdalaga, nagkaedad, nagkaasawa, kasakasama ko po ito. Itong tatlo na ito, si BMS. Okay. Hindi nyo alam kung ano yun. Vertigo, migraine, at saka sinusitis. Sino po nakaka-relate? O, di ba? So, alam nyo po kung paano sila umatake, di ba? Yun. Pag yung vertigo, pagka po yan ay umatake, nakapikit lang po talaga at pagka dumilat ka, feeling mo, babaliktad ang bahay. Ganun po yun. So, nakapikit ka lang talaga. Tapos po, si migraine naman, pagka umatake yan, yung kabilang side lang, at pagka umatake talagang napakasakit niya, gusto mo ngayong tug yung ulo mo. Una, ang reseta sa akin ng doktor is 250 milligrams lang ng Imigran. Tapos po, tumagal, naisugod ako sa hospital kasi umaano na ako eh. Sumuka na ako, tapos ayun, sinugod ako. In-injection na ako sa puwet, nakatulog ako. Pagkagising ko po, naging 500 milligrams na yung reseta sa akin. At yun naman aking sinusitis, dito pagka sumumpong po yan, ang sakit dito. Parang tinutusok. Ganun po, until nakilala ko si For Life. Tapos, ang ininom ko lang po is pure, cardio at saka yung glutamine. Yun lang po ininom ko. At ngayon po, awa ng Diyos, hindi na nila ako ina-istorbo, malis na sila. Maraming salamat po sa For Life at kay God. Thank you po. Yun lang.
Thank you, Ma'am Judy Ting. And we'll proceed for our second sharer. She's a diamond. So palapakan po natin si Ma'am Nelda Bambalan. Hello everyone. Ngayon. Ako po si Nelda Bambalan from Marikina City. Bicolana. Nag-start po ako dito sa For Life nung 2015 at na-invite po ako ni Ma'am Johnny, kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa aking upline at yung problema po ng aking husband ay yung hindi na siya umiihi siya ng dugo, na hindi na siya parang hindi na siya kukulay na pag binuhusan mo hindi na siya talaga puputi. So sobra pong kaya po nung pinainom ko po siya ng 12 capsules every 3 hours. Yung pong 3 PA+, 3 cardio, 3 male pro, and 3 KBU. At within 2
12 hours lang po, from 7 o'clock hanggang umaga, nawala na po yung pag-ihi niya ng dugo. At yan, nailabas niya po yung kanyang bato, sinamaan pa lang po na isang bote ng Riovida juice at 16 capsules of KBU. Yan po ang kaya sa ngayon, hanggang ngayon po, okay naman siya. Ayan po siya, wala kasi solong picture. Buhay na buhay, living testimony yan. So, ako naman po, nag-join ako sa For Life, 56 years old ako. So, ayan po, ang ganda-ganda ko dyan. So, dito na po ako sa For Life, yung tuloy-tuloy po ang ipainom ko ng product. Ayan po dito, ngayon po 66 years old na ako. Ang iniinom ko po TF Pure, glutamine at cardio. Pero lahat po yan nasubukan ko na, ang hindi na lang yung Mel Pro. Okay? So yan po ang journey ko dito sa For Life. Ayan, doing life differently with For Life. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Tita Nel. So, ayan, narinig po natin yung ating mga shares kung paano pong nakatulong sa kanila yung product ng For Life. And after hearing that news, so lahat po nung diniscuss ko kanina, so it boils down sa question po na ito. So, how much is your life worth? May halaga po ba? Yes, no? So, priceless. So, sabi, don't prioritize money over the life of people you love. So, naranasan na po natin yan, na-experience na natin nung pandemic, kung gaano kahirap na magkasakit and na walang kalaban-laban sa sakit, no, hindi natin nakikita. So, let's just prioritize our health. Try po natin yung products. And may mission po tayo today since nalalaman na natin yung good news about our product. Let us share it sa mga nangangailangan talaga na kakilala natin na may nararamdaman or gusto lang na maging healthy pa. So, let us welcome back our training TVD staff, Ma'am Happy Javier.
Okay. A warm round of applause to Ma'am Rachel Esologa. Marami po ba kayo natutunan? Oh, talaga naman. And syempre, nandito po ako ngayon sa harapan niyo dahil